Hello dear students, let's talk about ESAT Biology when you study about heart but paper test your brain. ESAT Biology students are a different breed. They will memorize every part of the heart, every function of the liver, every step of photosynthesis, but the moment the exam starts, their own brain forgets its function. You go inside full confident thinking, I know everything. I am basically a scientist now. And then question 1 hits you with, why does XYZ protein behave like this in an alternate environment? And your own protein starts misbehaving because now even oxygen feels less in the environment. See, biology isn't hard, it's just dramatic. One chapter is like a Bollywood romance, another like a horror movie, and the genetics part, full mystery thriller. Students will read Mendel's law like it's a Netflix plot twist, but the real twist comes in ESAT, where instead of what is DNA, they ask what does DNA think about itself. That's why students panic, not because the subject is tough, but because the exam asks the biology of your brain under stress. But don't worry, that's where Dr. Saurav's classes becomes your survival kit. We don't teach you random facts, we teach you how to think biologically, logically, confidently. Imagine walking into the exam hall, seeing a weird question, and instead of crying, internally you calmly say, ah yes, this is that tricky pattern Sir showed yesterday. That's the moment you feel like a top-tier researcher, even if you are holding a pen worth ₹10. In our classes, you don't just learn these chapters, you learn the exam psychology. We show how shortcuts solve long questions, tricks to break confusing ones, and strategies so strong that even the toughest questions start looking cute. And we even teach you how not to panic when diagrams suddenly look like alien art inside the paper. Picture this: in your ESAT exam, reading a question and smiling because you have already solved 20 harder versions in class. Your friend beside you will think you have transcended humanity. Why is she smiling in a biology exam? Is she okay? Yes bro, she's perfectly fine. She just prepared right. So stop making ESAT Biology a stress chapter in your life. Join us, prepare smartly, study with fun, and enter the exam hall like a legend who already knows the plot of the next question. Admissions are open. Click, call, join, and let's turn ESAT Biology from scary to actually enjoyable.